maingay ang background ko kasi nanonood kami. I mean, yes kami. No. Kalala niyo ba yan? Like, kalala niyo ba yan? Ay! Ba't yung Josh? Ba't nandun? Ano, si Sir Agi Ching.
Did he pass away
Aga?
in this hospital?
Sir Aga. So, kakuligo-kulog and yes, get ready with me.
Okay.
Pas minute po. So, yes. Ay! Naiwan ko yung hairbrush ko doon. Wait lang, akuhain ko yung hairbrush ko doon. So, nakuha ko na. So, may... Ano ba siya, bash? Isa pa siya. Ay! Ay! Ray! Ano ba to? Yan talaga yung
Okay, well, answer that question. The people that did you harm, are they still here in this location?
Ay! Saan ba ba? Sorry, maingay talaga, ha? What?
Some of them they could find out more later about what happened.
Ay, may sponsor. Lotion kay Sir Manix.
Did they experiment?
Bango niya, ba? Ito yung mga brushes ko.
Did they cause
Hindi tayo magpa-makeup first. Ito yung makeup. Ay! Ito yung makeup book ko.
And once again, I'll ask the same question. Some of those people still alive today. Do you forgive me?
Ito lamesa ko. And, please. To get ready with me.
Carry with us.
Andito nakalagay ang mga iba kong makeup. Ayan, ito yung sponge ko. Ganon. Thank you, guys.